I do not create graphite drawings much, but I am going to share the supplies that I use in this video. I use Staedtler graphite pencils. I use a set of 6 pencils. I think 6 pencils are enough for creating any drawing. I use these blending stumps for blending. This is a kneaded eraser. It can be molded into any shape. I use this to lighten up the areas in my drawing. This is Tombow Mono Zero eraser. I use this to add details or erase very small areas in my drawings. This is a graphite powder. This can be used to cover the large areas quickly. I have used Strathmore 400 series drawing paper and Arches hotpress watercolor paper for creating drawings. This is the Prismacolor sharpener I use to sharpen my pencils. These were the all supplies that I use. I'll see you in the next video.